Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of tasks and projects, struggling to keep them all organized? Paymo is here to save the day. In this video, we'll dive into the simple steps of adding a project to Paymo, so you can regain control of your workflow and get more done. Imagine you're a project manager, juggling multiple clients and deadlines. Without a reliable project management tool, it can feel like herding cats. That's where Paymo comes in. It's a powerful platform that helps you plan, track, and manage your projects from start to finish. Step 1. Creating a new project. Let's get started. The first step is to create a new project. Head over to your Paymo dashboard and click the New Project button. You'll be prompted to enter some essential details. Project name. Give your project a clear and concise name. Client. Select the client associated with this project. Start date. Set the project's start date. Due date. Indicate the project's deadline. Status. Choose the initial project status, e.g., not started, in progress, on hold. Once you've filled in these details, click Create Project. Step 2. Adding tasks. Now that you've created your project, it's time to break it down into manageable tasks. Click on the project name to access its dashboard. You'll see a section for adding tasks. Task name. Give each task a descriptive name. Description. Provide additional context or requirements for the task. Due date. Set a deadline for the task. Assignee. Assign the task to a team member. Priority. Indicate the task's importance, e.g., high, medium, low. You can also create subtasks within a main task to further break down the workload. Step 3. Adding team members. If your project involves multiple team members, you can add them to the project. This allows you to assign tasks, track their progress, and collaborate effectively. Add team member. Click the Add Team Member button and search for the desired user. Assign roles. Assign specific roles to each team member, e.g., project manager, developer, designer. Step 4. Setting up milestones. Milestones are important checkpoints throughout your project. They help you measure progress and ensure the project stays on track. Create milestone. Click the Add Milestone button and enter the milestone's name and due date. Assign tasks. Associate relevant tasks with the milestone. Step 5. Tracking progress. Paymo provides various tools to track the progress of your project and its tasks. You can view task status, monitor deadlines, and generate reports. Task status. See at a glance whether tasks are completed, in progress, or overdue. Gantt chart. Visualize your project timeline and dependencies. Reports. Generate reports to analyze project performance and identify potential issues. Additional tips. Customization. Paymo offers customization options to tailor the platform to your specific needs. Time tracking. Use Paymo's time tracking features to accurately record the time spent on tasks. Collaboration. Take advantage of Paymo's collaboration features, such as comments and discussions. Adding a project to Paymo is a straightforward process that can significantly improve your project management workflow. By following these steps and utilizing Paymo's features, you can effectively plan, track, and manage your projects, ensuring success. Ready to streamline your project management? Sign up for Paymo today and experience the difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.